times, welcome to another moment with Love Mentor. My name is Nwakama and this is hearttohearttv TV. If you're new on this channel, I want to explain what this channel is all about in the brief. This channel is all about relationship, marriage and career tips, and I need you to stay tuned to this channel. So for you to stay tuned, you should go to the red button below this video, subscribe to this TV and turn on your notification bell by the side of the subscribe button so you can get notified each time we do a post. Maintaining standard after saving a broken relationship, which is the episode 5 or the episode 1 to 4. So if you have not watched episode 1 to 4, get the link below this video or search through the Google engine and check for the topics including hearttohearttv so you can watch all these videos of episode 1 to 4, because that is the only way you can understand how we came about episode 5. So you keep watching. Welcome back. You've had a breakup, you've been through a lot together. This has molded you both actually understand each other better. It has created more value and respect within yourselves, which at this point you need to build standards. Today I'll show you how to maintain a standard after saving this relationship. You saw how the process was. It's actually rigorous, so you have to be ready to set standards that could help your relationship to be better. The first thing you need to do is to redefine your relationship. I'm not saying you should go and like, hey baby, what are we doing right now? Are we in a relationship or are we dating? Please don't do so. It is good you understand what you both are doing, but you have to take everything in a very light manner. Don't go jumping all over him or all over her. You have to understand, because sometimes within breakup, partners find their relationship or find someone that they love to date. So when you're caught up in settling with your partner, you got to redefine your relationship, whether you want to be friends first, whether you want to go back to how it was. You have to understand what you both are doing to really set a good standard for your relationship. 2, avoid same mistakes. Any issue that has actually brought you both this far, that has created this distance between you both, please avoid it. It's not worth repeating itself. You know, I was once in a relationship and I found out that the same mistake that happened the first time was actually happening the second time. It's a big error on my own side, because I felt, wow, I should have known this and avoided this kind of situation to reoccur again. Why will I be facing the same issue that I faced from the beginning? Then we can actually try to avoid that same problem from reoccurring. So you have to put in effort and see that you're able to work yourself off that same mistakes. 3, be respectful to your partner. This is one powerful weapon that you can use to mold your relationship into the standard you actually want it to be. So people don't understand how powerful respect can keep you both together. You know, yeah, you may not really understand respect, but in some other videos you're going to be seeing on this channel how to really respect a man or a woman in a relationship. Let your partner feel that you respect them. Let your partner see that you respect them. Let your partner sense your respect. Do not disrespect them in any way. Even if you have problems with them, you have things you want to discuss with them, find a better way to do so. Respect them in the public and the private, among your friends, colleagues. If you have issues, trash them in the house. In that way, you set another good standard for your relationship. 4, create new fun time. How do I mean? I'm not saying you should go there and be having sex and all that. No. What I mean is create new fun times, fun that you didn't usually have, that are new and that could be interesting. You know, let that relationship sparkle, let the light keep shining. In that way, your partner will be seeing you like a new catch. The fifth one, which is the last one, is quick reconciliation system. It is not a free relationship without ish. Trust me, there are going to be issues that may come up, but if you can actually discuss with your partner, the best way you both can actually resolve issues instead of escalating the issues to the extent that you have to go through all the process I listed before you can actually achieve your result. So you both should have a quick reconciliation system that would help you. It's either you want to take a process like you discuss when you have issues, you apologize, and you forgive easily. It's really gonna help you. I had this guy, and this guy actually told me after we reconciled that, and please, we need to have a quick reconciliation system. I don't like the way when we quarrel we have to stay apart for a long time. And I understood, and it actually worked for us, because each time there are issues, we needed to discuss it, we needed to forgive one another, we needed to say we're sorry, and all that, and it worked so well. Sometimes he says, please, honey, can we talk about this later? And I'm like, okay, but please don't quarrel with me. Please don't fight with me. You're my bestie. So there are certain ways you can go about this, and I've listed 5 ways you can maintain a beautiful standard in your relationship, and it will help you build a better relationship. And if you have comments, you have suggestions, you have experiences that has worked for you, drop them below this video. I want to hear from you, I want to read from you, I want to know what you think about this video. If you have questions also, please drop them below this video. You're gonna get a fast response from me. And I want to encourage you to follow us on all our social media platforms. Subscribe to this channel so that you can enjoy every post we post on this channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified on all our posts. And if you want us to discuss your question live, please send a mail to quinpearl@gmail.com. That's QUINPEARL@gmail.com. Or you send your mail to info@annfpearl.com. I love you all, and stay tuned to this channel.